Yeah, so this morning we're breaking down exactly what the plan includes and most importantly how it impacts you. Craig Bolanos is the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. Thank you for joining us this morning. You know, the president keeps talking about how this is going to be better, it's going to be simpler for people to understand, but can it really be? Because when I think taxes, I think nothing can be simple.
Nothing is ever simple when it comes to taxes. But I mean, the headlines here make it appear simpler on the surface, right? I mean, we're taking 7 brackets, compressing it to 3. We're eliminating the complexity of all of these deductions. But at the end of the day, is it really a miracle? I think right now it's miracle light because we're light on details.
Yeah, and one of the details we're hearing about is this loss of a very common deduction, especially for folks here in Illinois, and that is the state taxes that we pay. So that will have a significant impact on taxpayers in New York and California and here in Illinois, right?
Yeah, I mean, Scott, I'm happy you bring that up because the headlines that everybody is seeing is that the hardest working Americans on the low end of the bracket might be going from 10 to 12. And there's going to be all this, backlash saying, oh, the wealthy are getting this big discount because we're going from 40 to 35. But the reality is when you take away the state income tax deduction on the federal return, you take away the ability to deduct real estate taxes. I can't think of any place in America more square than Cook County where everybody's about to lose.
You know, you always hear from people wondering if they should file individual or if they should file as a married couple. Will this be something that we could see change possibly with this new
that's a great question. The so-called marriage penalty, without getting into the complexities, that's going to be going away. And part of that has to do with the way we're going to calculate what I call the standard deduction going forward, which is virtually doubling to $12,000 for a single filer and now $24,000 for a married couple.
You listen to his speech, it's compelling as far as a sales pitch. One of the things he promised is to simplify things. Now, we know the tax code now looks like Encyclopedia Britannica. It's ginormous.
Yes.
He's talking about a 1- or 2-page return. Is realistic?
Well, we already have a 1- or 2-page form. It's called the 1040EZ, which means if you just have W-2 income, a payroll, no investment activity, no Schedule A, no deductions, we already have that. But in effect, I think what's going to happen is this. When you raise that standard deduction up to $24,000 for a married couple, you're going to move a lot of people, more than we currently have, into paying 0. So theoretically, he's correct. There's going to be a lot more people in America filing a 1-page 1040EZ going forward.
All right. Thank you so much for kind of breaking that down. When you talk taxes, it's sometimes a lot of people, their eyes just glaze over. But you made it very simple to understand.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
That's what we do.
All right, still ahead in Good Day Chicago. She is known to be at the